Good evening, viewers. Welcome to today's edition of the news. A look at the headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi releases first installment of PMAYG under Janman scheme to 1 lakh beneficiaries. President Draupadi Murmu inaugurates Meghalaya Games in Tura. In Shillong, security beefed up ahead of President's visit to Mauphlang's Sacred Grove. Residents of Maang Village grapples with lack of proper road connectivity, urges government to address problem. Mido Jungle Camp, a few tourist destinations unveiled at Pinkar Sea Village in Reboy. And now the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today released the first installment of Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, Gramin under the Pradhan Mantri Janjati Adivasi Nyay Maha Abhiyan to 1 lakh beneficiaries through video conferencing. The scheme is aimed at improving the socio-economic conditions of the particularly vulnerable tribal groups by saturating PVTG households and habitations with basic facilities including safe housing, clean drinking water, improved access to education, health and nutrition, electricity, road and telecom connectivity and sustainable livelihood opportunities. Prime Minister also interacted with the beneficiaries on the occasion. The PM Janman was launched for the socio-economic welfare of PVTGS in November last year. The PM Janman, with a budget of around 24,000 crore rupees, focuses on 11 critical interventions through 9 ministers.
पढ़ाई के लिए पहले जो छात्रवृत्ति मिलती थी, अब उसका कुल बजट भी 2.5 गुना से ज्यादा कर दिया है। 10 साल पहले तक हमारे देश में आदिवासी बच्चों के लिए केवल 90 एकलव्य मॉडल स्कूल थे, जबकि हमने बीते 10 साल में 500 से ज्यादा नए एकलव्य मॉडल स्कूल बनाने का काम शुरू किया है।
President Draupadi Murmu, who is on a 3-day visit to Meghalaya and Assam, inaugurated the Meghalaya Games at PA Sangma Stadium in Tura in the presence of Meghalaya Governor Phagu Chauhan, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and other officials. This is her first visit to Meghalaya after assuming the office of the President. She was earlier received by state officials at Baljak Airport. The Meghalaya Games will continue till the 20th of this month in Tura. On January 16th, she will address the members of self-help groups at Baljak Airport, Tura, and virtually lay the foundation stone for the new integrated administration complex. Meanwhile, in Shillong, security arrangements have been beefed up in view of the visit of President of India Draupadi Murmu on January 16th to Mauphlang's Sacred Grove. Superintendent of Police East Khasi Hills District, Sylvester Nongtangar, informed that as many as 9 companies of CPF, including the State Police, 91 officers and 19 gazetted officers, will be deployed during the visit of President to Shillong. Asked if any special arrangements have been made in view of the withdrawal of peace talks by the proscribed HNLC, he said the police are taking care of the security measures. During her visit to Shillong tomorrow, the President will also virtually inaugurate the upgraded Rongjang Mansang Adogre Road and Mairang Rani Godown Azra Road and lay the foundation stones for the Shillong Peak Ropeway and tourist accommodations in the villages of Kongthong, Maulingot and Kudendrim.
The visit of the President to Shillong on 16, so we are fully prepared the security arrangement, including traffic, the packing and so on. So we have visited the PO, the places several times with the officers and men to ensure that everything will go smoothly as per planned. We will be deploying at least 9 companies of CPF, including state police also, and we'll be deploying at least 91 officers and 19 gazetted officers in during the visit of the President to Shillong. Nothing special reference to that, but we are taking care of the security of her security.
President Draupadi Murmu and Prime Minister Narendra Modi today extended their greetings to the army personnel, veterans and the families on the 76th Army Day. In a social media post, President Murmu said that the Indian Army has a long tradition of exemplary bravery, guarding the nation's borders with utmost dedication. Similarly, PM Modi took to X and honored the extraordinary courage, unwavering commitment and sacrifices of our army personnel. Meanwhile, Indian Army Chief General Manoj Pandey conveyed his best wishes to the Indian Army on this day during a parade held at Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh.
लाइन ऑफ कंट्रोल पर सीज फायर बना हुआ है, लेकिन घुसपैठ के प्रयासों से यह स्पष्ट है कि सरहद पार आतंकी ढांचा अभी भी बरकरार है.
Senior advocate Dr. Fenella L. Nonglaith today stated that reports of her contesting the upcoming Lok Sabha elections from Shillong parliamentary seat from a BJP ticket is true, adding that she is preparing herself to reach out to the citizens of Shillong constituency. Dr. Nonglaith, who has been away from politics for the last 10 years, said that leaders of BJP had recently approached her with the offer, to which she agreed. She said that if elected, she will speak up and raise many issues that affect the people. She will fight for recognition of 10A, 8th Schedule, UCC, land acquisition and many more.
Aspirant kadai ban ngalak pediang ban ngamdi kawat ban ong ban tiang ni kata ka politics namar ngahi ngala yai kom ka tutored candidate how to stem aja khatlai hakatuka arbanai but hakatuka arspa vote ka bangaram ban ngatrai xyz ngala ban namdan ka politics experience dari abcd te ngala dan kanong dem ka baning ko nge bang ong ho kadai ko urgency kajing kerki jong ke kajing kerki jong ki an kita ki pending laws ki bangi ngitip ki baladan ka parliament website ki balak ban kata ki balong ki implication ki legal implication ki long ben ha ki hok long try ki jongi tengah ngadan kam ban om tang bangan so tho yala de dai ban pen so tho ki brio kum kanong hikai mensua Shillong Law College kum ka plidar hakani ka kam kum ka professional kum kanong ya site jong ki balang repair ni isnam ki balalay ki bangila job ki kis keleng saudong hakalyang jong ka balang ngasngo wa kum ka khon kristan kum ka ret pa hi ka dan kam man ong ba silent is not consent.
Maang Village, located around 70 km from Shillong in Meghalaya, has been reportedly suffering for the past many years due to lack of proper road connectivity. Situated in the Shell Assembly constituency, East Khasi Hills district, Maang Village's inhabitants, around 100 households strong, grapple with the deplorable state of their roads, especially during the rainy season. Residents have tried reaching out to public representatives over the past few years, but to no avail. Furthermore, it was reported that despite being a mere 3 to 4 km away from the nearest motorable road, the village lacks essential basic amenities as villagers cry for help, seeking relief from the reported lack of development in the area. In a significant step towards generating employment opportunities for local youth and fostering self-sufficiency in livelihoods, the Mido Jungle Camp, a newly established tourist destination located at Pingar village on the Assam-Meghalaya border, was inaugurated today. Owned by local resident Kolshi Kathar, the Mido Jungle Camp is the result of the collaborative efforts of local youth to promote tourism with the goal of creating job opportunities for the region's young population. The initiative not only aims to attract visitors, but also stands as a testament to the community's commitment to economic empowerment and sustainable tourism.
Kakam jengkiwi long naperkat ba ngan sedang hino daka kamlade tengah ngadon kerani ka jaka bala ai bentai ni pahi la tengah daka ke ristar iro ngai ristar daka ke pengjengah long ban ye pasukan lai kaya kani ka jaka puta long masusna no komuniki kenja jaka jengok kai terima.
The 5th Zonal Youth Convention of the Shillong Archdiocese Catholic Youth Movement in Zone 6 concluded on Sunday, showcasing vibrant participation from youth across 5 parishes in the Ribhoi district. The event took place at Lumsinai, Umden parish in Ribhoi district. The closing ceremony was also witnessed by Cabinet Minister A.L. Heck, Catholic priests, among others. The conclusion of the youth convention saw the energetic participation of thousands of youths from 5 parishes within Zone 6 of the Shillong Archdiocese. The culmination commenced with a Holy Mass in the morning, followed by an evening cultural program. This annual youth convention aims to foster unity among the youth, encouraging them to collaborate for the betterment of churches and society as a whole. In sports, India's Yogesh Singh won a gold medal in the men's 25-meter standard pistol event at the Asian Shooting Championships 2024 in Jakarta, Indonesia yesterday. Mongolian shooter Davaku and Taiwan claimed the silver medal with the same score. The Indian shooter, however, finished ahead as opposed to Taiwan's 7. Kazakhstan's Nikita Chiryukin, who beat India's Vijayveer Sidhu to the men's 25m rapid-fire pistol gold medal yesterday, claimed the bronze with 568. India's Amit Kumar took the 6th position with 565, while Om Prakash was 12th with 553. And now the weather report. Maximum temperature recorded was 18.2 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature at 6.8 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 58%, while in the evening it stood at 57%. Forecast: dry weather and shallow to moderate fog is likely to occur at isolated places. Before we wind up, a quick look at the headlines once again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi releases first installment of PMAYG under Janman scheme to 1 lakh beneficiaries. President Draupadi Murmu inaugurates Meghalaya Games in Tura. In Shillong, security beefed up ahead of President's visit to Mauplang Sacred Grove. Advocate Dr. Fenella Nonglait says will contest upcoming Lok Sabha polls from Shillong parliamentary seat on BJP ticket. Residents of Maang Village grapples with lack of proper road connectivity, urges government to address problem. Mido Jungle Camp, a new tourist destination unveiled at Pinker Sea Village in Ribhoi. With that, we come to the end of the news. Until next time, good night.